And how do you source your products? How do you work with farmers and communities?
So what we do is we have a community of 50 farmers who are in Rwamagana, in Kibungo, and also in Bugesera. And then what we believe is that whatever we do must have to benefit on the local communities, because they are the ones who don't really have their voice, and we believe that we are there to be actually their voice throughout what we do. And then what we do is we just work with them on daily basis, and then later on we basically help them in through the journey of growing the chilies, blah blah blah, and then later on we source the chilies from them. Then we bring them here in our factory, and then we start the chili processing procedures starting from here. So, but we basically source them from the farmers.
The whole process of this, their difference depends on the flavor we are just producing. But what we do, it's just to communicate with the farmers. They all know the criteria. They require them to give us the raw material. Like chili, we are just have the criteria on the recording form. Just they really know what they bring, and they give us the chili which is not rotten, and which is full ripened. Then after receiving, we check out those criteria they know, and after the process began by receiving them. Then after receiving the raw material, not only chili, like pineapple, other garlic, and whatever spices that we are using in processing. The process continue with weighing and washing in the washing room. Then after washing room, the next step, those are the preliminary steps. The full step began in this room. Like after washing and weighing, we start with, it depends, I'm going to go back, it depends on the product, on the product we are just going to produce. We start by chopping recipes, then blending them. Then after, we start the process of cooking. The process of cooking, it depends on the time, and it depends on the processing flow diagram we are just using. Then after cooking, we take time of cooling. It's all done with time, and the measurement we took depends on the standard we are asked to do. Then after cooling, we end with the next step of filling in the bottle. Then after sealing and labeling. Then after, the last stage is packaging.